done. And done. And where's the flashlight? I don't know if you can see all the lovely copper sparks in there, but yeah, it don't look pretty. Well, it's engine 2 in week 1. Great.